If you are a tattoo artist or a client who got the tattoo done and don't know how to clean the tattoo, then this video is completely for all of you. Even if you are a tattoo artist or if you are a client who got the tattoo done recently, do watch this video completely. In this video, I am going to explain you about two important things. One is blue soap and the green soap. Which one is best for cleaning the tattoo and how this blue soap and green soap got made. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Tattoos and founder of Machu Tattoo School. In our Machu Tattoo School, we are providing online classes as well as offline classes. Offline classes, we have a weekdays classes and weekend classes, and we are providing a professional diploma tattoo course with the certifications. You can start your own studio after that. And in our online classes also, we are providing a certifications. From A to Z, you can learn everything from our online classes. Many of the people think might be if I'm not going and if I'm not present in the studio, I could not be able to learn much. No, nothing like that. You can learn completely from start to end. You can learn completely from our online classes also. I have attached our online class link in the description. Do check it out. You will get a much more clear idea. Without wasting your time, let's get into the topic now. Before getting to know which blue soaps or green soaps are best, we need to understand how these blue soaps are made, how these green soaps are made. So number one, how this blue soap is made. Blue soap is made by the chemicals. I will not say it's an organic product, surely it's made by the chemicals, but it's a much more skin friendly one. Yes, because it will be created by the menthol and it will be completely gives you the cooler effect to your skin, for especially on the sensitive skin. If it's any small cut wounds or something, that especially for the tattoos, when you clean with this, you will be get the much more better output than the green soap. That is one of the main difference in it. And when we talk about the nature of it, it will be created by the forms which will be ingredients of the blue soaps. And when you will be creating a form nature, this will not give much of the form because it's a pure form of less alcohol and it cannot able to provide a huge forming nature, so that it is best for your tattoo cleaning as well as a tattoo artist while doing a tattoo. When you want to wipe out the inks, this will be best for you, because when you use the blue soap, it will not make a reddish to your skin and it will not give any allergic or side effects to your skin. It will be completely safe for you. Now, point number two, how green soaps are made. Yes, when we talk about how these green soaps are going to made, green soap is nothing but creating a form nature in the form of methylol and the mint flavors which will be mingled with this green soap. Due to that, it is providing a much more greener look. But whenever you use the green soap, due to this alcohol densified nature, you need to mix with the 90% of the water and 10% of this green soap. When you use in that proportion, you will be get the much more cooling effect to your skin and it will clean the tattoo perfectly. If you do not use that and if you are using an excess amount of green soap, then client will start to feel the burning sensation and client's skin will become so reddish during this process. So I must say, to avoid when you will be do this, you just keep using the green soap by diluting with the same amount of 90% of water and 10% of this green soap content, so that you will be get the much more better output. Third, skin friendly. Yes. Now, blue soap or green soap, which one is good for the tattoo cleaning and the process? When we talk about the blue soap, it's very much cooler and gives the much more better for the sensitive skins. And green soaps, it will be suitable for all the skin types, especially when you use it for the dry skin, it will make the skin more dry. That is one of the bad nature, but we are using a vitamin A ointment or Vaseline while doing the tattoo, so that will be get matched with that, so no need to worry about that. So I will give the equal preference and equal ranking for blue soap and green soap. Both are best to do the tattoo while doing a tattoo for cleaning it, but when it comes to the client, for cleaning the tattoo, I recommend comparing a green soap. Blue soap is best to go ahead, because if they will be go ahead little more of densified nature in the green soap, there are a lot of chances it will be get little burning sensation or burning bubbles comes around the tattoo. So for the clients, I recommend to be go ahead the blue soap. For tattoo artist, your guys wish, you can go ahead blue soap or green soap. Both are best to be doing it. In our studio, we are using both the blue soap and the green soap, so no problem at all, and I have getting a much more better output. If you have check it out our Instagram portfolio, Instagram link in the description, you can check it out. There is no much of the reddishness in our tattoo. That is our thing. So I hope you guys like this video. Do check it out and share it with your friends. If you guys have not yet subscribed, do subscribe our channel. You will be get a lot of contents about this YouTube videos and all the things. I am signing off, Suresh Machu. Don't blame you.